Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I am in front of this beautiful listing in Northlake. This is a beautiful house. It is 4,600 plus square feet with 4 bedroom, 5 bath, media room, office room, formal dining, which you don't see nowadays anymore. And wait until you see the backyard because it has a beautiful saltwater pool with lush backyard. So let's go and check it out. Before that, I'm Sonali Sikdar, your local Dallas realtor. And every day I help people like you to move into their home in Dallas, Texas and its suburbs. So don't hesitate to reach out to me if you ever need any help. Right now, let's go and check this beautiful house out. So now if you see, how grand and beautiful this house is. It has 3-car garage. Can you believe that? I think 3-car garage is really important when you go to this pricing. And let's go inside. Look at this big door and big entryway for you. And this is how you are going to welcome your guest when you move in. It has wooden floors and this great entryway stairs. And when you move right, you will see the office room. Let's go and check out the office room. So see if it is very big and spacious. And look at this. Have you seen a high ceiling like this in an office room before? That's why I say this is a great house. And wait until I tell you the price because you are going to be surprised by the price. This is a secondary bedroom. It is having a closet, walk-in closet, and walk-in bath. Look at this beautiful bath. And apart from that, there's a linen closet as well here. So you don't have to worry about storing your linen and your towels. And look at the view outside, large windows. This house has large windows throughout the house. So what you have seen so far, you have seen the office room, you have seen the secondary room, and when we go here, there's a half bath and the laundry room. This is a half bath. And look at the laundry room. Laundry room has a sink, plenty of space here. And this is your mudroom. This is going to be your garage door. It has 3-car tandem garage. 3-car tandem garage. And then we're gonna go inside. One of the best features, because this house has so many good features, a formal dining. Which, like I said, nowadays it's very rare to find a formal sitting or dining space. And look at these big windows. Isn't this a perfect space, to host people or have a cozy space for yourself? And this is how it looks so far. So when we enter, we have a high ceiling, we have beautiful curved stairs going on, and this is going to be the living area. Look at the high ceilings and big windows, big and big and big windows everywhere. And this is a beautiful kitchen with tons and tons of cabinets. So you are never going to run out of space. Literally, yes, never. How much you are going to cook, how much you are going to, store your grocery. Because apart from all this, plenty of cabinets in the house. And don't forget to check this built-in appliances. We also have a walk-in pantry in the house. See, let's find the switch. This is a walk-in pantry. And behind the door as well, space is there. That's why I was like, how much space do you need? And this is a living room. Very beautiful. Let's not ignore those tall windows. So you're going to have plenty of lights and cross ventilation in the house. And this is how it looks from the corner. Very high ceiling, lot of space. Even after keeping a couch, bulky couch like that, we have plenty of space in the house. There's also a fireplace. And from here, you are still connected to the formal dining room, which is a formal dining room now. You can make it a formal setting or however you would like to use it with your creativity. And if you want, you can keep a breakfast nook there. And there's also a desk and a chair, just in case you need. Look how big and spacious this house is. It is one of my favorite homes. It's a beautiful house. Wait until I tell you the price because you're gonna get amazed with the price. It is one of the best house I have seen. A lot of times you see a lot of houses and you feel like, why this price? It's too much. But this is a house where you're gonna feel like it's worth it. Well, let's go and check out this master bedroom. But before that, you must be wondering, what is this room? What is this? Master bedroom? Next to that is what? It's a sunroom. Like I said, this house has so many unique features. Look at this place. Look at this place. Isn't this amazing? You can make it as exercise room, kids play area, whatever. And it is overlooking to the pool with big windows. You're gonna have amazing time over here. And then is a master bedroom. Of course, I'm gonna show you one of the best part of the house. Look how big, how spacious it is with the tray ceilings, tall ceiling and tray ceiling, adding more and more to the upgrades in the house. Big windows, everyone. Big windows are expensive upgrades, and you are going to see big windows everywhere in the house. And look at the size of the house, size of this bedroom. It is so big and spacious. Even after keeping a king size bed and chairs, you still have plenty of space available, and you can put a TV there if you are a fan of watching something, being relaxed and cozy in your bedroom. See, after keeping bedroom, there's a plenty of space over there. And then we go to one of the, you will be hearing me saying one of the best things, because this house has so many unique features in this house. So this is the master bath. You have vanity, and look at the counter, how big it is. And you have a vanity chair, you have tub, you have shower, you have a big shower, very big shower. And I was showing this house to someone and they were like, in our current house, the linen closet is so small, I could not fit anything. Well, look at the linen closet here. So big. In some of the houses, this is the size of the pantry. So that's what I've been telling. This is an amazing house, amazing size, amazing price. You gotta wait until the end to know the price. You definitely do not want to miss it. And of course, the master closet. It is humongous, friends. If something justifies the term Texas size, it is Texas size. Very, very, very big. It's like a room, a big room. And I think I've shown you pretty much downstairs. Now it's time to go up. Look at this beautiful stairs with high ceiling. You'll see high ceiling everywhere. This is the perfect resemblance of how luxury should feel. And it should not cost you arm and leg. You're going to get luxury in your budget. Look at this game room. This is just the beginning. Huge game room. You can overlook down from there. So open concept, and this is a media room. And this house comes with all the settings and wiring and other thing like the projector and everything. And this is a game room, and we have 2 more bedrooms here and 2 more full bath. Isn't that amazing? Because nowadays, builders are building houses, they are not building enough bathrooms. So this is the first bathroom. It's a full bath. And then we go here. And a bedroom. And there's one more bedroom here. Let's see this one first. With a nice closet. Look at the closet size. It is big. And you have entry to the bathroom from here that we saw just now. And there's one more room waiting for you here. What? And look at the bed. And look at the size of the room. It is big and spacious. So you are not compromising on size at all anywhere in this house. There's plenty of space. There's plenty of upgrades and it's totally worth the price it's been listed for. Now let's go and check out the backyard. And this is the backyard I was talking about. Look at the high ceiling. It's too tall and look at this covered patio. It is huge. Look at the space over here. Some of the houses have backyard just this size and you are getting this amazing wide, very wide outdoor space with a salt water pool. You know, I'm doing open house and I just feel like sitting by the pool over here. Isn't that amazing? And look at the space out here. It's not that backyard just have pool. It does have space where your kids can play, your pets can play. And it is a salt water pool with a vacuum. You see that? That vacuum is there. It means that it has been maintained well. That's very important. And we got a drone over there. Look at this view. Isn't this huge? It is a huge backyard. Okay. And do you see any homes close to your backyard? No. So you have so much of privacy in this pool. There are no big trees behind it. So there you don't have to, clean all the leaves that makes the pool dirty and all. And then you have no immediate neighbor behind this. So you have ton of privacy in your pool. That's, I think, very important and very rare to get nowadays. So let me know how did you like this video too. If you would like to see this house in person, let me know. And time for the big reveal. This house is listed just for 945,000. Yes, 945K. So it is a great price and you can experience this luxury below $1 million, which is amazing. I know I was talking to one of my clients from California and he was like, Sonali, they were spending multi-million for just 1,200 square feet of a house. And it's like a shoebox, just straight like this, no much backyard, no much space. And look here in Dallas, Texas, you can get a beautiful house like this. It would be multi-million in other states like California, New Jersey, but you can experience the luxury living below $1 million in Northlake, Texas. So let me know if you would like to see this house or any other house. Do not hesitate to reach out to me and I would put all this in the description box so you can go there and check it out. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.